brought to you by Health City Cayman Islands.
Pediatric cardiology is a medical specialty. It's a subspecialty in the Department of Pediatrics, which deals with children with heart disease. At Health City, we treat children from newborn up to 18 years of age. Congenital heart disease, it's a term used for the heart defects which are present at birth. When the baby is born, it's born with the heart disease. The congenital heart disease is the most common congenital defect among all the defects. Mostly 60% require surgery or intervention, and about 10 to 20% are like very serious and lethal. If not treated, they may die very soon. The other conditions apart from congenital heart disease are rheumatic heart disease and Kawasaki disease and cardiomyopathies, that is weak heart, and also there is a condition associated with the heartbeats. It's called arrhythmias, like fast heart rate, slow heart rate. That is also being treated here. The fast and slow heart rates, they usually present with chest pain, palpitations, dizziness, syncope, that is loss of consciousness. So these are the most common symptoms for heart disease other than congenital heart disease. So we offer treatment for all the other diseases also. We do diagnostic studies before surgery and therapeutic interventions. So therapeutic interventions are closing holes with the device. It's a device made up of inert metal, and it's a mesh-like structure which can take any shape, and when it is released in the heart, they close the hole and then they take the original shape, and then it's permanent cure. There is nothing else required for throughout the life, and the child can lead a normal life most of the times. We also offer valvuloplasties, that is opening up of the tight valves with a balloon. And we also offer stenting, that is opening up of the tight vessels. And we also offer most of the open heart surgeries at Health City, from simple to complex.
The Medical Minute, brought to you by Health City Cayman Islands.